Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Xiaomi 13 Pro. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store, inside find Microsoft Edge. Install it. Then when it's ready you'll be able to open a browser. Skip introduction, let's do that. You can customize the homepage with a wallpaper, visited sites or news feed. Let's continue. Sign in to turn on synchronization, not now, and make the Microsoft Edge browser default like this. Your data, your privacy, you can accept or not if you want. Click on confirm when you're done. And right here, browser should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.